Today we are going to build and flip a PC in 48 hours. Right now it is 2:30 p.m. so I will have the next 2 days to find parts, build a PC, benchmark it, and sell it. To make things even more interesting, I have a maximum budget of $300. The goal of this video is partly for a fun project, but also to show you guys that even during COVID times, it's possible to get a used PC for a reasonable price. Alright, let's get started. Alright, well we just started the challenge and I've been looking on Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist for some deals. So far I found a $25 PSU and a 2600K CPU combo for $120. Both look very, very promising. The 2600K CPU combo comes with an ATX motherboard, 16GB of RAM, and a CPU cooler. I'm gonna look around to see if I can find any more deals just to pick up while I'm out. You know, might as well get everything that I need. So hopefully I can get everything by today. Well, we also ended up finding someone who is selling a GTX 970 for $80, and he's also local, so if he can't be right now, it's not a big deal. I can always meet him sometime later. Okay, so it's about 3 p.m. now, and I'm on my way to get the PSU and the CPU, motherboard, and RAM. If I can secure both of those at the prices that were listed on the listing, and if everything is in working condition, then this could be a huge score. We got the PSU. $25. This is an EVGA 500 watt white. It's not the greatest PSU in the world, I have to say, in terms of quality, but we are running relatively low power components, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. We also got power cable included, so we don't have to go ahead and buy one and give it to the customer. All right, next up is the motherboard, CPU, and RAM for $120. It also includes a cooler. So if we are actually able to get this fully functional for $120, then all we need left is a GPU, a case, and an SSD, and then we're done. Okay, so I was able to get everything in pretty good condition. We got IO shield, CPU cooler, i7 2600K, ASUS ATX motherboard, and 16GB of RAM. All looking very good for $120. So as I said before, all we need now is the GPU, case, SSD, and we are ready to go. We are 2.5 hours into the challenge, and I just got a message back after getting home. I just got a message from the guy who's selling a PC case, so we're going to pick up an NZXT H440. So pretty good for $40. Comes with a bunch of case fans, so let's go ahead and get it. Okay, it's about 5:30 right now. PC case secured. NZXT H440 for $40. Not a bad deal. Red and black. I think it looks pretty sick. All right, let's go ahead and head home and find some more deals. So the guy that I messaged about the GTX 970 said he also had an 120GB SSD for sale for $20. And so I was able to pick both of these up for $100 combined. So now we're completely done. We're ready to build this PC. In all honesty, I think this is a really great deal. Samsung 848 EVO SSD. It's a pretty great SSD, especially considering it was only 20 bucks. And also the Strix 970 is a really nice card. It's got the back plate, got really good cooling, and an overall, I think it looks pretty good. All right, here's the finished build. I think it looks really clean, really nice. I really like the red and black aesthetic, and we're also going to be able to get some decent gaming performance out of this, which is going to be nice. Overall, the total cost of the build was $285, so still below that $300 mark. And we're getting an i7 2600K, a GTX 970, 16GB of RAM, 120GB of SSD storage, an NZXT H440 case, and a 500 watt power supply. So I think this is a really great deal for the money, and overall, I really want to test this and see how it performs in games and benchmarks. Before we do that though, we've got to take pictures of this PC and get the listing ready so that we can hopefully find a buyer by tomorrow. and then test this PC and sell it. All right, now that we've listed our PCs, all we have to do now is just wait and see if there's someone who's willing to buy our PC. In the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and get our PC set up so that way we can test some games and benchmark it. I'm just getting ready to benchmark. I have installed a bunch of stuff. I have Cinebench, R23, 3DMark Firestrike, Rocket League, Fortnite, Overwatch, Apex Legends, Ghostrunner, and I think Valorant too. So we're gonna go ahead and see the benchmarks. All right, so it is 6 p.m. right now, and currently I've had a lot of interest and a lot of offers for this PC, some at $400, but a lot of them are lower than that. A lot of people want it for $300 or $350, which I'm just not willing to do. So I haven't been able to find someone who wants to pick it up today, so I'll see if I can try to get someone to either pick it up late today or early tomorrow. All right, well, everything has gone as planned. We're about to sell the PC. A person is at the meeting location. And so all we gotta do is load this up and get this sold. I'll try to film as much as I can, maybe hide the camera somewhere if possible. So hopefully everything goes smoothly and we're able to secure the deal. Well, we just closed out the deal, $400 in cash for this PC. So a total profit of $115 for this PC. We built and flipped a PC within 48 hours. I think that's pretty good. And we still had 3 hours to spare. All right, that concludes the 48-hour PC flipping challenge. If you did enjoy, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe for more content like this because I will be producing more PC flipping content in the future. All right, see you guys next time.